Hi everybody, it's Elliot here with InVideo, and today I have another trend alert for you, the 2021 recap TikTok trend. This trend allows you to go and show all of the highlights for each month of the year for 2021 with audio to match. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process to create this trend using a completely free template. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll be showing you how you can use this trend for your brand or business. So let's get straight into it. So this is a really simple trend to create. All you're going to need is 12 images or video clips, and they need to represent a highlight from each month of your year for 2021. Once you have got those 12 images or clips, then you can click the link in the description and you will be brought over to the free template. From here, all you need to do is click on use this template and the InVideo editor will load. Now you need to just click on upload your media and upload your 12 different assets for each month of the year for 2021. Now, as you can see on the timeline, each scene has been created for you and the audio for each of those months has already been synced up. So you just simply need to replace the assets on each scene with the assets that you want to use. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping your image or clip onto the canvas, and you can of course edit the titles for each month in every scene using the editing menu up the top, and this will allow you to go and change things such as the fonts and the colors of the titles. Once you are happy with your video, you can click download and share in the top right hand corner, then just hit export and your video is now ready to share on any social media platform. So if you've made it this far in the video, as promised, I'll now be showing you how you can use this trend for your brand or business. The first type of business that could benefit from this 2021 recap trend is an e-commerce business. So you could go and show different products that you've launched throughout the year of 2021, and this is a great way to go and demonstrate different products that you are selling from your e-commerce store. You could also go and show any milestones that your e-commerce brand has hit. So maybe you made a certain number of sales in a month throughout the year, or you went and fulfilled a certain number of orders. So you could go and show this in a clip from the recap trend. The second type of way that a brand or business could use this trend is to go and demonstrate how customers have used your products or services through each month of the year for 2021. And this just helps to build some social proof around your business from the previous year. So you could use user generated content of customers using your products or services for each month of the year of 2021. If you found this tutorial helpful and you want us to keep bringing you viral trends every week, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the playlist on screen now where we share templates and tutorials for viral TikToks and Reels. This is Elliot with InVideo, and I'll see you in the next one.